Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi prismatic in Grow a Garden. First, gather your essential components. You'll need a regular sushi roll, which can be crafted or purchased, and a rare prismatic shard. These shards are often found in challenging areas or as special drops. Once you have both, head to your crafting table to begin the transformation. This process is straightforward and yields a powerful item. To get your sushi roll, you can either grow the necessary ingredients on your farm and craft it, or purchase one from a food vendor in town. For the prismatic shard, explore deeper caves or defeat powerful enemies, as they are a rare but valuable drop. Remember, having your crafting table ready is crucial for the next step, so place it conveniently in your home or base. With your sushi roll and prismatic shard in hand, approach your crafting table. Open the crafting interface and place both items into the designated slots. The recipe for prismatic sushi should automatically appear. Double-check that everything looks correct, then simply click the craft button. Your new, powerful prismatic sushi will instantly appear in your inventory, ready for use. Prismatic sushi offers incredible advantages, significantly boosting your character's core stats and making you much more effective in all your farming endeavors. You'll notice increased speed, better crop yields, and overall improved performance. It's a game changer for maximizing your garden's potential. Also, for staying refreshed during your farming adventures, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.